Hello children, welcome to Apex Institute of Maths and Sciences. Today this video is about how to join into a batch and how to access the video lectures which are available in our mobile app. Let's start the video children. First we need to go to Google Play Store. So there click on search button. So there search for Apex IIT-JEE. IIT-JEE. If you search like that, then downside one text will appear, Apex IIT-JEE NEET. Click on the text with the A symbol with our logo. One app will be displayed downside. So click on that. First it will ask to install. Click on install. So install process may take some time depending on the network. The purpose of this video is to make you aware of how to access the videos from our mobile app and how to join into a particular batch related to your book which you are following in the school. So now children, it got installed. Now it is showing open. Click on open. So with the Apex IIT-JEE NEET Foundation, one app will come. So here if you are having Truecaller, so then if you click on continue, so directly it will get installed without asking any other details. If you don't have Truecaller, then click on use another method. Then it may ask login through WhatsApp, login through Truecaller, or use another method. So click on use another method. Then it will display the mobile numbers. Choose your mobile number. OTP will come. So actually this OTP manually we should not enter. So automatically it will take the OTP. Automatically it will take the OTP. So if we enter manually, it won't accept. So then notification, if you want, you can make them allow, or you can simply click on don't allow. This is the app home screen. If you go to bottom menu, we have home button, batches button, store, charts, profile section. In the home button, it may display some courses which may ask you to pay the amount, but if you are already following our books, no need to pay any amount. So directly you can join into the batches. For that children, what you need to do is, so if you observe here, so here Olympiad faculty, 4th grade, 3rd grade, 1st grade, already some batches are getting displayed for me. If I want to join in 2nd grade or 5th grade Olympiad, so what I can do means, here I can click on the plus symbol, batch code I need to enter. First class means or second class means second 2ND, second OLY, 2ND OLY. Like that I can click. It will show success. Wait for 5 minutes. Here, wait for 5 minutes. We need to accept it actually. So from the backend, the Apex team people will accept your request. After that, if you come back, if you vertically scroll down like this, then this 2nd grade junior Olympiad will be visible to you. So here I am typing children. I am typing the batch code, sir, for Olympiad sections, 2nd Olympiad. Suppose if you are following aspirants program, then you need to type 6th aspirant. ASP is the shortcut for aspirant, 6th aspirant. Or if you are following scholars program, 6th SCH, 6th scholars. Or if you are following champions program, 6th CHA. Like that, either Olympiad, aspirants, scholars, champions, as per your title on the book, you need to enter the batch code. So then you will be joined into that particular batch. If you still have doubt, what you can do means, if you don't know the batch code, what you can do means, you can come back. After this home, batches, stores, you can see chart option with the A logo, one icon is there. Click on that. There, what is my batch code? Like that, what is my batch code? Like that, you can send the message. You can send the message. You can request for the batch code. You can request for the batch code. Immediately, we will send the batch code. You can say, you can share your details, name, class, which program you are following, or from which area you are calling, or what is your ID number. Like that, you can share the details. After receiving the details, immediately we will add you in that particular batch. Now I have joined in 2nd grade. Suppose if I want to join in 6th grade, aspirants, 60H ASP, 6th grade aspirants. Suppose if I want to join in scholars, I need to enter 6th SCH. Okay. If I want to join in champion, 6th CHA, champion. Like that, I can enter the codes. So the Apex people from the backend, so they will check 6th grade scholars. They will check the batch. 1 minute. Now children, within a short period of time, they may accept all the requests. Once after 5 minutes, if you vertically scroll down like this, you can observe. I have joined in 6th grade champions batch, 6th grade scholars batch, 6th grade aspirants batch. So as per your batch, you need to enter the code, then that particular batch will be visible to you. Now the first task is completed. We have joined into the batch. Now how to access the videos which are there inside the batch? Now let's go through that details. If you go to 3rd grade junior Olympiads, on the top menu, you can observe some buttons there like overview, videos, tests, study material, assignment, like that. So many buttons are there. If you want to access videos, we need to go to videos menu. So there, if you click on these folders, we have math animated videos, science animated videos, maths IIT videos, science IIT NEET videos. You can click on any folder. So there, chapter wise folders will be visible. So there, you can click on any video, and that video will be played. So like that, you can access the videos, children. So not only 3rd grade, if you want to access 6th grade aspirants, you can go to that particular batch. You can click on the videos. There all folders will be visible. You can choose your subject. You can choose the chapter, and you can access the videos. Like this, children, you can access all kinds of videos which are already uploaded in our app. But our sincere request is, first check your book, check the cover page, check the index page, know your program. As per that, enter the batch code, and we will admit you into the concerned batch. Then you can access the batch. Or if you log in through the mobile number which the school already provided to us, then for that mobile number already we have given batches access. So no need to enter the batch code. It is only for the new students. So make use of this opportunity, children. So download the app, share the app to your friends, and make use of all the videos which are there in the app. Okay, children, have a good day.